Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you use ChatGPT for free. So guys, at first I wanna tell you that you can download ChatGPT as an app. So as an Android user, I'm gonna download ChatGPT from my Play Store. And in the Play Store you can download ChatGPT by searching ChatGPT. Just download this app. I have already downloaded this app. Now I'm gonna open it. Now in the ChatGPT app you need to log in with your account. I have already logged in, and after logging in you can use ChatGPT just like anything you want. Just like I'm asking for a essay. You can also ask for HTML stuff, just like asking for HTML program calculator. You can ask for any advice and ChatGPT will give you. So guys, that's how you can use ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.